Hi everyone, with this video I will be showing you how to reconcile two datasets in an Excel file. So I will be opening my test data worksheet which has the data that we can test on. So basically this is the most common type of reconciliation that companies do. It's bank reconciliation. Some accountants will do it in companies like every month, some will do it like every 6 months, depends on the business. So I have two sheets right here. One is company book and the other is bank statement. So this is the record that we have in company. This is the statement that we have received. Now we are reconciling these two. As of now, the bank statement is the exact same copy of the company book, but we will be changing some values to see how the reconciliation works with the clean rows. So right now I'm going to the clean rows tab and selecting reconciliation from the drop down, and I will get all those options that I need for reconciliation. So the first property that I'm going to select is unique value column. It is required to have a unique value column between two data sets, which is unique and which is present in both data. In that case, that should be check number. So I'm going to select column C, and in the value column, what value we're looking at? We're looking at the amount to make sure that the amount is matching, and if something is missing, we want to catch that. And the sheet name, we're on sheet company books. So I'm going to select company books. Now the result column, so where the result should be printed. So basically when you run the reconciliation function, then it will print the result somewhere whether the values were matching or not. So the result column, I would pick E right now. And down here we have two other options. Copy value to. It's basically if you want to copy the value from the other data set so you can see, or like the discrepancies, if you want to see the discrepancies. Right now I'll leave it off, and next time I will run it again so we can see the difference. Now I'm going to select the second table, which is table B. So that is the bank statement. It's on a different sheet. So the unique column is again column C, and the amount is in column D, and the sheet name is the bank statement. So now coming back to the company book, because this is our table A and this is the main table, we will be seeing the results right here. Now what I need to do is just click this execute button. This will execute any function that you have picked from the drop down list. Right now we are on reconciliation, so the reconciliation will be executed. So you see for the first one it shows not found because maybe there's spelling difference, but it starts from here for the value. Everything is matched up right here. Every single value is matched. And now just for testing the application, we will be changing some values. Let's go to the bank statement, and for check number 977 I would say the total amount is not 3,690 but it's 3,691. Now go back to sheet 2 and rerun the program. Now you see now you're getting the message that the total match 250 and total discrepancies is 1. So this is the one that was not matching. Okay, now what if we don't like going back and forth between these two sheets to see the difference? I want to see the difference right here. So for doing that, not the difference actually, I want to see the value that is from the other data set which is not matching. To do that, I will come here and I will say copy values to, where I want to copy that value. I will choose F for now, and on default it's only discrepancies. It will only print out the values which are not matching. So if I do execute, it will print the value right here. It's 3691, 3691. So you can see it's 3691. But if I change this to all, then it will copy all the values. Let's do the execute again. As you can see, it's copying every single value that is found over there. At the same time, if we do like 977, if we change this to something like 000, like 11111, so this check number is not present in this value. Now we have that check number over there. Now if we do the reconciliation, No, sorry, I clicked on the wrong place. So if we do the reconciliation, it will show not found. And since this was already there, I would delete this and would rerun this, execute. So you see it shows that this check number was not found because we just changed the value for that check. This was just a basic example on reconciling the bank statement, but this reconciliation method can be used on any type of data. You can reconcile invoices or any other